bell out. Get him. Get him.
Get him with belly. Beautiful.
Oh, we gotta catch up to Michael.
Oh god, you're gonna fucking scare this person half to death. Oh my goodness. They're cruising. Oh, Lord's in a tractor. He had fucking headphones on.
He had headphones on?
This guy in a tractor did.
No, we're stopped.
How embarrassing.
There's Michael. Guy past his house with him.
You want to just keep recording this?
Why is this window open? I wonder if it's so fucking loud. This is the footage people want.
Shitty footage just driving. That's how you get views.
There's cars.
You're looking.
Fuck it, see. Turn the bell on.
Turn it off, good lord. So much for peeling out.
There goes the tranny.
Yeah, with your leg just slip and break in half. Well, maybe he can. I suppose he got his honk on her. Hey.
Shimmer's stuck down.
That's what happened last time, isn't it? Oh, that's bright. Fucker cut you off.
Asshole.
Would have been better if it was closer. You could have just fucking laid on the horn. Nobody looked. There's nobody here. Yeah, that'd be dangerous. Didn't even look. Didn't even look.
Alright, let's see who we can make stop. We got cars behind us. We're about to go over these train tracks here. I'll get out, try to get them in the mirror. Oh, there's people on bikes though. Holy shit, I don't want to do this. Let's put the bell on instead. This is good. Nobody even stopped. Alright, we're going to our bridge here. Oh shit, turned the bell on early, I guess. Make sure there's no cops. Holy shit! Holy shit, there's a fucking train.